What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video today, it's going to be real quick, but I got some Auxito LED fog lights. I'm going to be putting on at the bottom here. And seeing that the bumper is off because of, was busy wrapping the car, I might as well just throw these in. So Auxito sent these over to me. So I'm going to be providing a link in the description below how you can cop these lights yourself. So I'm going to be installing them. I'm going to look at the light output and see what it's like. Stay tuned.
Alright, so right here you can see me cycling back and forth with the fog lights on and off. If you look closely, on the ground there while I'm driving, you can see where the light is basically filling out, the ground there or the road there. And it's really nice. You can see how great the light output is. It's bright. From what I had before going to this, it's great.
So if I haven't mentioned this, let me go ahead and just mention this right now. So the video is sponsored by Auxito. They sent this over to me for me basically to give my opinions on. So like I said, I installed the fog lights at the bottom here. These aren't working. I haven't connected them, so I'm going to show you that real quick. So you see it's on, and that's basically how I run it right now. I haven't connected these lights at the end yet. I've just been lazy, honestly, and some other personal stuff that I won't get into. But yeah, so these lights, they are exceptional for what they do. Like I said, over what I had, once I put them in, it was 100 times better. It was 100 times better than what I had before. And the reason why they look like this is because I have a neochrome wrap over both my lights. If you follow me on Instagram and you also follow me, you watch my videos on YouTube, you'll see that I have like a wrap over them. So yeah. All right, so this is the box it comes in. If you don't know your bulb size that the fog light is at the bottom, it's the H11, and the one that I got is the 6500, and it's white. All right, so it's real nice, guys. I highly recommend it. I've been running them for, I want to say, about a month now, because I finished wrapping the car on Black Friday, really, and I just put the lights in. And just to show you what I'm working with right now, this is what she looks like now. And guys, just stay tuned because I got a lot of stuff coming for the channel. I just installed this recently. Yes, it's off eBay. Yes, it is. That's correct. But it gives me the look that I want right here. And if you guys are wondering why is she so high, it's my ride height. Yeah. Yep. And as always, guys, oh, one more thing, it has a real nice gloss to it because it's been ceramic coated. I did all of this myself, by the way. I didn't vlog it, but it can be done, guys. It takes patience. This is my second time wrapping the car too. Yeah, it takes patience. All right, but yeah, just to finish up, you can go ahead and cop the Auxito bulbs. I highly recommend it. They are wonderful. Like I said, if you see what I did where I turn the lights on and off, you see how it fills out the ground or the road that I'm driving on. My previous lights didn't do that before. It was just a simple halogen bulb. When I turned those lights on, it wasn't even lighting up the road like this one did, and this one does a pretty good job of it. In case if you're wondering why you hear my voice going in and out, I'm on a dead-end street. so I gotta keep looking behind me. And of course my boy is in the car, but you can't see him. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And as always, guys, peace. Alright, you were supposed to slide down. You're embarrassing me. Take two. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.